Good morning, students. How are you all today? Let's revise our previous chapter, that is using the keyboard, chapter number 6. Let's ready to give me the answer. What is a keyboard? What is a keyboard? Yes, keyboard is an input device. It is a input device used to type used to type used to type letters and numbers. Keyboard is an input device used to type the letters and numbers. Input device used to type the letters and numbers. Done? Now our second question is, what is the use of number keys? You have seen number keys on the keyboard. What is the use of number keys? Number keys are used to type numbers on the computers. Number keys are used to type the numbers on the computers. So we can say use of number keys is to type the numbers. Now, how many number keys are there? On the keyboard, you have seen the number keys. How many number keys are there? There are 10 number keys. There are 10 numbers key. Do you know which number keys are there? 0 to 9. Have you seen? There are number keys from 0 to 9 on the keyboard. Now, what is the use of alphabet keys? Just like number keys to type the numbers, alphabet keys are used to type the letters. Alphabet keys are used to type the letters. What is the use of alphabet keys? Alphabet keys are used to type the letters. Now, how many alphabet keys are there on the keyboard? Have you seen? How many alphabet keys are there on the keyboard? There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. Alphabet keys are on the keyboard. How many keys are there on the keyboard? On the whole, on the keyboard, let us see a keyboard. How many total keys are there on the keyboard? There are 104 alphabet keys. There are 104 keys on the keyboard. There are 104 keys on the keyboard. Our next question is, what are keys? Do you know what are keys? Keys are the small buttons on the keyboard. Keys are the small buttons on the keyboard. On the keyboard. What are keys? Keys are the small buttons on the keyboard. Which is the longest key? Which is the longest key on the keyboard? Space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. And it is used to give space between the two letters. Which key works as an eraser? Do you know? Which key works as an eraser in the computer? Backspace key. Backspace key is used as an eraser. Backspace key is used as an eraser in the computer. How many enter keys are there on the computer or the keyboard? How many enter keys? There are two enter keys on the keyboard. And this enter key, what is the function of enter key? Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. When we click on it, the cursor will move to the next line. What is the use of arrow keys? Arrow keys are used to move the cursor. Arrow keys are used to move cursor. Arrow keys are how many arrow keys are there on the keyboard? There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Which are the different keys on the keyboard? There are different keys on the keyboard. First is alphabet keys. Have you seen alphabet keys? I know you have seen your keyboard of your computer. Then how many alphabet keys are there? There are 26 alphabet keys. Second is number keys. Second is number keys. How many number keys are there on the keyboard? There are 10 number keys. And next is arrow keys. How many arrow keys are there? There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Next, backspace keys. Backspace key. Backspace keys are 1 on the keyboard. So there are different kinds of keys on the keyboard. You can see it on your keyboard. There are so many types of keys on the keyboard. These small buttons are called keys. Now let us revise the back exercise. Open your books and give me the answer. Number keys on the keyboard are present at dash places. Number keys on the keyboard are present at dash places. Tell me how many places? 1, 2 or 3? I know you know it. Yes, there are 2 places where the number keys are found. Now the longest key is dash key. Which key is known as the longest key? Or whether it is enter key, caps lock key or space bar key. Longest key which gives the space, that is the space bar. Yes, the longest key on the keyboard is space bar. Now dash key moves the cursor in a new line. Dash key moves the cursor in the new line. Which key helps us? Enter key, caps lock or space bar? Yes, it is enter key. Enter key moves the cursor in a new line. Dash key works as an eraser. Which key works as an eraser? Yes, it is backspace key. Backspace key is used as an eraser. The buttons on the keyboards are known as dash. The buttons on the keyboards are known as buttons, keys or bars. Tell me which is the answer. Buttons, keys or bars? Yes, it is keys. So small buttons on the keyboard are known as keys. Now tell me how many keys are present on the keyboard? Alphabet keys.